Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Design channel. So friends, today I will talk about Colorful's entry-level GeForce GT1010 graphics card. So friend, Colorful introducing even slower GT1010 graphics card, and friend, it will be comes with DDR4 memory, a variant of the already existing DDR5 model, and friend, it not only has slower memory but also lower GPU clocks, and friend, on a plus side, the power requirement has dropped from 30 to just 20 watt, and friend, it is not a gaming card. Colorful notes 2G video memory provides more possibility for new players, which is intuitive and just not for this card, not in 2022 but maybe 15 years ago. And friend, this card offers 1151 MHz base clock of 1379 MHz boost clock and total of 2 GB of DDR4 memory attached to the 64-bit bus. And friend, it will be comes with 2.1 Gbps speed. We are looking at 16.8 GB per second bandwidth, just 60 times slower than RTX 3090 Ti. And friend, the only change is lower CUDA core count of 256 instead of 384, and it is based on the slowest Pascal GP108 GPU design in 14nm process technology. And friend, Nvidia is expected to introduce the GeForce GTX 1630 model sometimes in next week, and it will be launched soon. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.